How to change or upgrade the RAM for Dell laptop 3527 model. First, we should put it on the back side of the computer. It is some screws. You have to open it. Here are one screw, two screw. I already opened that one. Like, you should push it like this side, and you can take out. And I want to upgrade my RAM. I have already 4 GB RAM. I want to put it like I actually bought from Amazon, like 8 GB's RAM. The total is 16 GB's. It is cheap. The price is around $24 or $25 for both. This hard, yeah. You can put it like, you should see the slots here, and you can just bring it like this. It is a socket when it is done, like you see, and push. And when you push it, it has a sound. Yeah, that is installed. Or if you want to take it out, you should press this one and this one. Like here, yeah. Put it like you should push it. Yeah. Yeah. That is it. And you should back the cover like here. Oh, I actually turn it around. Yeah. And you can screw, your RAM will be upgraded. Thank you for watching.